Understanding Pooh-Pooh the Idea, a simple guide. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, Pooh-Pooh the Idea. This expression is rich in meaning and often used in both formal and informal settings. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in conversation. So, let's get started. Pooh-Pooh the idea refers to the act of dismissing or rejecting an idea, suggestion, or opinion as unworthy of consideration or simply silly. It's not just about saying no. It's about expressing a certain disdain or skepticism towards the idea being proposed. Imagine someone suggests that flying cars will replace bicycles in the next year. If you pooh-pooh the idea, you're not just doubting it, you're also indicating that the suggestion seems far-fetched or unrealistic to you. The phrase, pooh-pooh, comes from the sound one might make to express disdain or disbelief. It's almost as if you're blowing the idea away with a puff of air. Historically, this expression has been used in English literature and conversation to convey a sense of scoffing or mocking rejection. Understanding its origins helps us appreciate the nuances in its usage today. Now that you know what it means, let's see how to use pooh-pooh the idea in conversation or writing. Here are a few examples. Many people pooh-pooh the idea of living on Mars in the near future, but technological advancements could make it possible. The committee pooh-poohed the idea of an outdoor winter festival, citing concerns about safety and weather. He pooh-poohed the idea that a simple change in diet could significantly improve his health. Notice how the phrase can be used to express personal skepticism or a collective dismissal of a proposal. It's important to understand the appropriate contexts for using pooh-pooh the idea. It's perfectly suitable in informal conversations among friends or in creative writing. However, in formal settings or professional meetings, using the phrase directly might come across as too casual or even disrespectful. Instead, opt for expressions like, "I have reservations about," or "I'm skeptical of the feasibility of," to convey a similar sentiment in a more polished manner. And there you have it. Pooh-pooh the idea is a colorful expression to express skepticism or dismissal of a concept. Whether you're engaging in a spirited debate or writing an opinion piece, understanding and using phrases like this can add depth to your English communication. We hope you found this video helpful and that you're a bit more confident in navigating the rich landscape of the English language. Don't forget to practice, and see you in the next video.